Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your TOZO A2 Mini with your Windows PC. So all you have to do is just to open this charging case and then remove both earbuds. Now just grab them and take a look for the indicators. They are located right here. And we have to wait until they start blinking blue and red. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but this one is actually blinking. So it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to put it close to our laptop. We have to open the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. Go to this add device option, select Bluetooth. And now from the list, select your TOZO A2 Mini earbuds. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.